This is why you need to know what it would be like to spend a day on Saturn. Buckle up, space enthusiasts, because this adventure is going to be out of this world. Literally. First off, getting to Saturn is no small feat. At its closest, Saturn is 1.2 billion kilometers away from Earth. That's like walking to the store. If the store was on the other side of the solar system, with today's spacecraft technology, it would take about 8 years to make the trip. So pack a lot of snacks, but let's fast forward to your arrival. As you get your first glimpse of Saturn, you'll see it's an enormous planet, the second largest in our solar system. Talk about a big deal. Fun fact, over 760 Earths could fit inside Saturn. That's a lot of room for activities. Now, we can't visit Saturn without talking about its iconic rings. These rings are so wide that they span almost the same distance as from Earth to the Moon. That's one heck of a hula hoop, but here's the catch. They're not solid. They're made up of millions of chunks of ice, ranging from tiny dust particles to pieces as large as buses. So it's like a cosmic snowball fight. If you were somehow able to hike on one of Saturn's outermost rings, you'd be in for a long trek, around 12 million kilometers. Better bring some comfy shoes. That's about 15 round trips from Earth to the Moon. Along the way, you'd find tiny moons and spokes of dust levitating above the surface. It's like a space scavenger hunt, but you'll also notice streams of ice particles flying off the rings towards Saturn. That's called ring rain. Don't forget your umbrella. Saturn's magnetic fields are slowly draining the rings. Every 30 minutes, they lose enough water to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Michael Phelps would be impressed. In 300 million years, the rings might be gone entirely. So visit soon. All right, let's head to Saturn itself, around 282,000 kilometers away. Just a short hop, skip, and a jump. As we approach the North Pole, we hit a snag. There's no solid surface to land on. Oops, Saturn is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. So no beach vacations here. 4,000 kilometers up, we enter Saturn's upper atmosphere and witness a stunning aurora similar to the Northern Lights. But way cooler, these auroras are caused by Saturn's magnetic field, generating huge electrical currents. But beware, the electrical activity can disrupt our ship's electronics. So no Wi-Fi selfies. Next, we enter the troposphere, where weather happens. Here, powerful winds can slam into us at nearly 400 meters per second, over 3 times faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. Hold on to your hats. Thick yellow clouds made of ammonia crystals swirl around us. They might look beautiful, but you'll want to keep the window closed. Ammonia is very irritating to breathe. It's also freezing here, reaching as low as minus 250 degrees Celsius. So pack a parka. As we descend, it gets a bit warmer. At a depth of 300 kilometers, we find water at 0 degrees Celsius. Perfect for a chilly swim. Deeper still, pressure forces liquid water molecules together into solid ice. This ice mixes with surrounding gases, creating a chaotic hailstorm. Don't forget your helmet. If we survive this, we'll plunge 1,000 kilometers into a layer where hydrogen molecules are compressed into a liquid. It's like diving into a giant soda. Even the sturdiest submarine would be crushed by the immense pressure here. So no deep-sea adventures, and if we somehow make it through, we'd encounter liquid metallic hydrogen, which conducts electricity. This would likely knock out any remaining electronics. So no Instagram updates. In the deepest depths, scientists believe there's a core made of iron and nickel, but they're unsure if it's liquid or solid. It's a mystery wrapped in an enigma. If we reach it, we might uncover this mystery. But it's over 83,000 degrees Celsius here, hotter than the surface of the sun. Our spacecraft and us would be vaporized instantly. So maybe not the best vacation spot, so perhaps leaving Saturn exploration to unmanned probes is a better idea. Let the robots handle it. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey to Saturn. Like, share and subscribe to One Ticket of Freedom. Until next time, keep looking up. And maybe stay a bit closer to home.